Hello guys, I hope you're doing well and enjoying. Now today I'm going to teach you the adjective ending in ed like bold, inspired, and the adjectives ending in ing like boring, inspiring. And if you're interested in learning English, this lesson is going to be really interesting for you. I hope you're ready. Let's get started. So guys, when we want to describe how someone feels, then we use the adjectives ending in ed. For example, depressed, amazed, exhausted, motivated, interested, inspired. On the other hand, when we want to describe how someone is or how something is, then we use the adjectives ending in ing, like boring, interesting, amazing, surprising, tiring. I hope you got it, right? Now, here are some examples for you. The game was exciting. The game was exciting, and the children were excited about the game. The game was how the game was. It was exciting, and the children were excited about it. The next sentence for you is her speech was inspiring. Her speech was inspiring, and I'm inspired by her speech. How do I feel? I feel inspired. I hope that you have understood it. Now, guys, let's check your understanding. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give you two sentences, and you need to find out whether you would be using the adjectives ending in ed or ing. Okay? So, first sentence for you is the film was not good. I didn't like the film. It was disappointing or it was disappointed. Write down the answer in the comment box. Don't go away. Write it down. Write it down. Here's the next sentence for you. It was a terrifying experience or it was a terrified experience. Guys, please write down your comment here. Okay. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for being here. Bye-bye.